Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to focus on how to integrate external animations into a Unreal Engine 5. I'll be using Mixamo for demonstration purposes, but you're welcome to use your own animation as well. We'll go through the process of implementing idle, run and jump animations from the ground up, enabling you to use them in your own project. This video is the first in a series aimed to creating a Star Wars platform game featuring Ahsoka as the main character. Please remember to subscribe and let's begin. So we go through the sketchfab. I download the Ahsoka Tano character model. I convert to FEFX. Then I will use the Mixamo to get the T-pose. So I will download the FEFX, import to the Unreal Engine 5. I will put the character in the scene to see if everything is okay, the height, the scale, everything. So everything is working cool. Then I will create the animation blueprint from the skeleton. And then I will go to the third person character blueprint to replace the mannequin. So I select the skeletal mesh. And then I will select the animation blueprint class that I created before, and then I will go to the animation blueprint class and then set a new state machine. I will put the default slot. And then I will start creating the animation. I already downloaded the idle animation from Mixamo. Remember to put the Ahsoka skeleton, this is really important. When you download the character from Mixamo, remember to download without skin, so we can use one skeleton from the Ahsoka character. So I will put the idle animation into the state machine. I put the entry to the idle, and as you see, the character is working, the animation is working great. Just remember to put the loop animation. So now you see everything is working cool, it's working great. I will put the character a little bit down, just to keep in the floor. So as you see, the controls are working great. And now I will select the run animation from Mixamo, download without skin. I will keep repeating this because it's really important. Then I will import the animation, select the Ahsoka skeleton. Now we will set up the event graph of the animation blueprint. This allows us to handle the jump and the speed of the player. We'll create two variables, one is walking and the other is falling. So on the try get on owner, I will put if it's valid, if the player exists. And now I put the get movement component. This allows us to control the is falling player. And I will use the is falling boolean. I will set up from the value on this falling. It will handle the jump animation. Now I will get the velocity of the player, and I will set up the vector length So I will use the isWalking variable. So if less than 10, it will not walk, and if higher than 10, it will walk. Now we go to the state machine. We're going to use the run animation we already downloaded. Let's rename it to run, and let's put it on the state machine. Now I will put to idle to run. Let's remember to loop animations on the run, and then put the variables we already created. So if it's walking, it will change the animation to run, and if it's not walking, change the animation to idle. It's not Boolean. So now let's test this. So now if you run, it will play the run animation. If you stop, the idle animation. Now we will set up the jump animation. Let's download from Mixamo without the skin. Import the animation, select the Ahsoka skeleton, rename it to jump, and then duplicate because I want to split animations in two parts. One the normal jump and the other on the fall jump. So I will remove the half of the animations. Just remember to put enable brute animation to play animation in place. So I will select the half of the animations, right click, and then remove frame 14 to frame 36, and then do the same with the jump fall. Enable root animation. Let's put on the half of the animation, and let's remove the 0 to frame 13. Always depends on the animation. And now I will use those animations. First use the jump, the normal jump, and then put the transition. So it will jump if his falling is true. So let's test this. It's falling, so it will keep its animation to the jump animation. Now we will put the jump fall. So it will make a transition to jump fall. So here we put it's falling, not true. Now pull. Let's compile. Let's test this. So now it's falling good. Now put the jump fall to the idle. Let's set automatic transition. So it's falling, now it's falling great. It's working great. Now let's set up the run to jump. Do the same as the idle. So it is falling true, and if walking not true. Let's add the AND boolean just to check the two variables. And then do the same with the shuffle to run animation. So let's put the automatic rule. Remember that from run to jump we have to use is walking is true and is falling is true. So let's test this. Come to jump to run. Hit play and test with the character. Now it's jumping to run, but it's kind of little bit of weird. So let's change this, disable automatic rule, and then add the variables. So is falling not true. Add the AND boolean. So it's walking true and it's falling not true. It will play from shuffle to run. And do the same from shuffle to idle. This is help us to improve the transitions from jump to idle and jump to run. Disable the automatic rule. Hit compile, and now let's test. So now, as you see, the animation to run to idle is working good, and the jump to idle also is working good. So that's it from this video. I really hope that you like it. I will be uploading more this kind of videos. The next video will cover the how to put a lightsaber to the character, to Ahsoka, and how to make some melee attacks with animations and destroy objects with that melee attack. So thanks for watching me, and keep in tune for new videos.